It is time for another property tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And today, y'all, we are in Buffalo Ridge at 1516 Rough Rider. This is a current inventory home for sale. The list price is $878,904. And we are in, y'all. We are so in. Look at that winding staircase. That creates so much character. That is a statement when you walk in. I love it. All right, y'all. I'll get started on the specs here while we're doing a little tour. And this is 5 beds, 4 baths, 1 fireplace, and 4,044 square feet. And this, y'all, is by Grand Homes, excellent production builder here in DFW. They do a quality job. They take really good care of their clients as well. I refer them a lot of people. And let's go into the kitchen here real quick. This is a thing of beauty, y'all. Love this open floor plan. Lots of cabinet space, vaulted soaring ceilings, modern lighting fixtures, level 5 engineered hardwood flooring with a gas stove, oven and microwave, floor to ceiling fireplace, bay windows, and it is a gas fireplace, y'all. And like I mentioned, this is Buffalo Ridge in Celina, Texas. HOA dues are $400 annually. And this is indeed a 3-car garage, y'all. So a lot of space, y'all. And behind this house is undeveloped land. We don't know if it's going to be, fully greenbelt or if there's going to be houses behind. So that is up in the air as of right now. And I was taking a look right here at this master stand-up shower, garden tub, and walk-in closet. Very large and spacious. Large and in charge. And we'll go back here to the master bedroom and back out. There's the laundry room over there. Glass modern door. And that staircase, y'all. I love it. And we are going to head upstairs to the game room right here with an upper level media room. And we're just going to take a bird's eye view of the lower floor. Love that fireplace, y'all. So much character. And we'll come in here. This is like, it could be a living area as well if you don't want a pool table or ping pong table or anything like that. But this is the enclosed media room for all you gamers out there. Shout out to the Fortnite players. Shout out to Xbox Live. And we got a full bath with a bedroom. And these bedrooms are very nicely sized, y'all. Not small by any means. And we'll come back over here. Love the setup though. And we got another area of the upstairs. With another bedroom. And turn on these lights for y'all for sure. Actually, wait a second, y'all. This is another a full bath stand-up shower. But the media room is actually right here, it looks like. So I guess either one of those can be the media room. This can be workout room. It could be really whatever you want it to be, honestly. So that's a flex room right there. Very nice, though. Very nice floor plan, open floor plan laid out. One of Grand Home's uniquely designed homes here in Buffalo Ridge. Brand new white painting. And this is new construction, y'all. Never lived in before. A lot of custom features. 8-foot doors. But I love the fully oaked curved staircase, y'all. That is an awesome one. And yes, someone was asking earlier, this is wired for flat screen TV as well. And we're just going to look at this garage bay for y'all, so you can get an idea of the size of the garage. There we go. And this house comes with a tankless water heater as well. And of course, all of the standard warranties. So if something breaks, you can call the manufacturer. And we have a nice covered patio. And that's the area I was talking about out there, y'all. I'm trying to get on my tippy toes for y'all to see that. And you got space for a little pool if you wanted to. Here we go. This is the space I was talking about. But I want to thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour. Please smash that subscribe button if you enjoyed this tour, so you can inform other people about the hot Texas real estate market. And I will see y'all on the next one.